How to secure your Bybit account with two-factor authentication. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm going to show you the ways on how you can secure your account with two-factor authentication. You can just go ahead and log into your Bybit account, and when you are logged into your account, that is going to take you to the home page, and here click on the profile icon from the top right, and over here scroll down a bit and you could go ahead and select security. As you do that, you could go ahead and select this option that says your account security level is low. Please enable at least one authentication, and you can press on the Google two-factor authentication and start with the procedure. Likewise, the other way to do it so is you just have to go ahead and toggle the button located right at the bottom. You have to go ahead and enter in the confirmation code. As you can see, I've received it, so I'm gonna paste it right over here. Next, you have to go ahead and install Google Authenticator app on your device and click the continue button in order to proceed on. Then moving on, what next you have to do is you just need to go ahead and follow the prompt, and you'll have successfully set up two-factor authentication on your Bybit account. So that is how you can secure your account with two-factor authentication. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.